When you think of a liver cleanse, you might imagine days of drinking nothing but juice. But you know, this 3-day liver detox is actually different. It's not about deprivation. Instead, it's about harnessing your body's natural cleaning process, called autophagy. This approach focuses on giving your body what it needs to cleanse itself from the inside out. Over the next few days, we'll explore how to activate autophagy and support your liver's natural detoxification pathways. This is a gentle approach, but it's essential to consult your healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. Autophagy is kind of like spring cleaning for your cells. It's your body's way of removing old, damaged cell parts and replacing them with new ones. This process is really crucial for maintaining your overall health and vitality. When autophagy is functioning optimally, it helps protect against various health issues and supports healthy aging. Think of your cells like tiny factories. Over time, waste products and damaged components can build up, hindering their efficiency. Autophagy is like sending in a cleanup crew to remove the debris and optimize cellular function. There are quite a few ways to encourage your body to ramp up autophagy. Some methods are gentler than others, forming a spectrum of intensity. On the milder end, we have incorporating phytonutrient-rich foods into your diet and adopting a ketogenic diet. Exercise is another excellent way to stimulate autophagy. Getting enough sleep is also crucial, since autophagy is highly active during those restorative hours. Calorie restriction, such as intermittent fasting, takes things up a notch. Moving into more intense methods, we have water fasting, which involves abstaining from all food and beverages except water for a specified period. Finally, we reach dry fasting, the most potent autophagy activator on this list. Dry fasting involves abstaining from both food and water. While prolonged dry fasting is not recommended, a daily dry fast from sunrise to sunset can be beneficial for some individuals. This short dry fast can give your kidneys a break and promote autophagy. Remember, it's crucial to listen to your body and consult your healthcare provider before attempting any form of fasting, especially dry fasting. Now, let's talk about how to support your liver throughout this 3-day cleanse. Following the 1 meal a day, or OMAD, approach can be particularly helpful. Aim to eat your 1 meal before sunset. What you eat matters too. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kale are excellent choices due to their sulfur-containing compounds that support detoxification. Including a moderate amount of meat in your meal can provide essential amino acids. Certain supplements can also be beneficial during this cleanse. Bile salts, for instance, can help with fat digestion and prevent bile stagnation. Beet supplements are known for their liver-supporting properties and can help keep things moving if you're prone to constipation. Always remember that this information is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. It's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new dietary or supplement regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions, particularly gallbladder issues. Your health is your priority, so make informed decisions in consultation with your healthcare professional.